What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to some family property to just camp out. I just kind of want to get away from the city for a while. I got plans on making a huge mountain man breakfast. So I had a bunch of stuff at home for this breakfast, but I still need to run to Walmart and get some meats and such. So we're gonna go do that now. Come on. Holy cow. This place is packed. What does that say? 2:30 in the afternoon? You know how many times this thing has hit that tree? Enough to make it look like that. See you in the morning. Alrighty, folks. Well, we've made it to the farm. Pick up some trash. Don't need litter on some family property. Makes it look bad. Alright, so this property has been in the family for, I want to say, over 95 years. It originally came into the family because my great grandfather did some work for a guy back in, I don't know, the 30s, I believe. He didn't have any money to pay my great grandfather. So instead of money, he gave him this piece of land, which is 160 acres. And since then, it's been maintained by the family, and it's still in the family, which is pretty cool. That's getting all washed out. Well, it is currently 42 degrees outside, and that's about the warmest it's gonna be all night tonight. It's about 4:15, the sun goes down around 5:45-ish, and we've got a pond on the property. I'm gonna go see if I can catch any fish. We're still in the beginning of March, so there's a good chance I might not catch anything, but I got about an hour, so I wanna see if I can catch something. Oh, this boy is muddy. That's bad. That's way high too. That's like 3 feet higher than it should be. I guess they got a ton of rain down here. Anyway, we're still gonna fish and see if we catch anything, but it's not looking too promising. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I did catch my personal best bass here. Freaking hog, dude. Oh my god. Jeez. Donkey. Me and my buddy got here early in the morning when the sun was rising. First cast, right out to the middle. Smoked him. At first I thought I was caught on a tree. Then he started moving and I was like, that ain't no tree. Ooh, that wind is brutal, man. I'm gonna make a run around here. Well, I did in fact not get any bites, and it is chilly. When that wind picked up, oh, it was bad. Well, anyway, I ended up walking around half the pond, and it is way too muddy and it's way too flooded. It's supposed to be a cool shot of me backing up. You probably saw the hill for like 2 seconds, and then the camera went the complete opposite direction. There she is. That's our cabin. Well, all that water that you saw in the pond is all getting drained down into this creek here. The creek right here by the cabin, it usually never is flowing, not unless there's a huge storm. And apparently they got one down here. It's pretty nice. Soothing, actually. Now, one cool thing about this cabin is there is electricity. Tiny little building, but it's pretty cool. Here we go, the farm. 90 years in 2019. So we're what, 93 years? This farm has been in the family since 29, and that's 93 years. Got a little wood burning stove, fireplace, and that's it really. Pretty much what you want if you're coming out to a place like this. Well, I'm gonna get some work done, so I'll catch up with you when it's about time to eat. Ow. That did not feel good. Well, I just moved the van from the cabin to up in the woods because I want to sleep on top of a hill. Right now, dinner. We've got a Southwest chopped salad kit. I'm going to try to eat it out of the bag. Just got to make sure I don't butcher the top of this so I can shake it all up. Why in the world? Never in my life have I seen 2 fix-in packages. Pretty sure there was only supposed to be 1. That's a lot of dressing for that. That's enough of me eating. I'll see you when it's time for bed. All right, it's a little bit after 10 o'clock and I'm about to hit the sack. So it's supposed to get down to, I think, 25 degrees or so tonight. And I'm not trying to be cold. So I got a blanket and a sleeping bag. And then all of that's just gonna kind of wrap me up once this is folded over. And I got some long johns on. I'm gonna wear my t-shirt that I'm wearing now. Then I'm also gonna wear this hat. Last time I was camping in below freezing weather, my face got super cold. And I know that most of your body heat escapes through your head. So I'm thinking that if I wear this hat, it should keep my face much warmer. But we'll have to see. I'll let you know in the morning. All right, see you when the sun comes up. Good night. Good morning. It's chilly in here. My body stayed pretty warm. My head stayed warm. I think the only part of my body that was cold was my nose and my upper lip. That's right, just my upper lip. Very odd. I really want to get the van started to start warming it up, but I don't want to leave my sleeping bag. It's too chilly. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's cold, man. It's about 6:30 in the morning. I've been noticing every time I sleep in the van, I wake up pretty early. Most of the time, it's when the sun comes up, which I appreciate. I do like rising with the sun. Makes me feel like I get more out of my day. Today we're making a huge breakfast. Oh, throwing you all over the place. All right, it's about 7:30 in the morning and it is time for a feast. First thing we need to do is get some water going in this guy. Today on the menu we've got eggs, bacon, sausage, hash browns, and pancakes. Let's go! That water's boiling. I'm gonna make up the sausage. We're gonna season it up with some Danos. Good old Danos, spicy Danos. He typically uses a lot, so I'm gonna do the same. And we're gonna go ahead and make these into patties. Well, this is pretty easy. Open it up, add your water. Close that up and let that sit for 12 minutes and those will be ready to start cooking. The next item on the list is get this grill going. Get it nice and ripping hot. Alright, so I think we're going to cook in this order. Potatoes, sausage, bacon, pancakes, eggs. I got some pre-mixed pancake stuff, so all you got to do is add water. Pancakes are ready. Now we got to drain this guy. Okay, that actually made a surprisingly large amount of hash browns. I'm actually going to put the hash browns and our sausage patties on at the same time. Alright, with our hash browns, throw some oil down. I'm actually going to switch. So now the trick to doing hash browns is to let them sit. Do not touch them. Once you think they're ready to flip, give them even longer, because that's when you're gonna keep them from getting that crispy crust. Salt and pepper. And a little brown. You can see around the edge here, those hash browns are getting a little crispy. Sausage, hash browns, how much bacon we think? 4 pieces? 5? Whatever this is. 6? Pancakes. I think maybe 2. Real maple syrup from maple trees from this property. It's gonna be going on our pancakes. Alright, here goes nothing for our pancakes. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna plate all this. I guess I'll put the pancakes right in the middle. Now lastly, we've got eggs. We're gonna use this bacon grease to cook our eggs. How is that looking, man? Come on. Oh, baby, look at that. I'm so excited to eat. Well, it's sugar coming off of the maple syrup jar. Go ahead and add some Cholula right on our eggs. Hey, if you'd like to try some of this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, one last time before I munch all this stuff down. I'm really excited for this. It came together pretty dang well. Here we go, bacon first. If you calculate all the money I spent on this meal, it's probably like $12. I want to say the hash browns were like 3. The eggs, 3 eggs, what's that? Less than $1. So we'll just say $1, $4. 2 pancakes out of a huge bag. You can say $7, $1 a piece. Make it $2 a piece, make it $9. And then you've got bacon, which was like $4 for the pack, $1.50 for this, $10.50, and then $4 for the sausage, half of that. So you're looking at like $13.50. You're getting way more than you would at a restaurant. It's a large meal. That's why they call it Mountain Man. Let's try these pancakes. That's so good. Especially homemade maple syrup. You see I got a new cutting board. 20 bucks at Walmart. It's pretty nice. Hash browns are nice and crispy. Ooh, that hits the spot, man. It's got some maple syrup, some hot sauce, runny egg, the saltiness from the hash browns. I mean, it's just a great combination. I think breakfast is my favorite meal. I'm telling you, if you can get your hands on some real maple syrup, oh, it's so delicious. So if you went to a restaurant, this is probably what you would get. Maybe add 1 more egg, but that amount of hash browns, 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and a piece of sausage. I'll tell you what, I probably won't eat another meal today. I can't believe I ate all that. My jaw's tired of chewing. Alright y'all, that's going to be it for me. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more camping episodes like this, go ahead and leave a comment down below about where I should go next. I appreciate every single one of you watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Oh, you didn't go off. Well, I just set this roll of paper towels by the Blackstone. I'm trying to burn everything off. I just about burnt the whole roll of paper towels.